Okay, in my short life.
We're in the city, we've got young people that are turning up now, and we're about to have a taste today with the young people that we would love to hopefully come on the project.
Far too often young people are demonised by adults within society.
And we just want to work with the young people so that we can help them better understand themselves, the skills that they have and the potential career paths they could go down.
I feel like I get the support I need, with professionalism, confidence. Now I'm confident, but then I'm like, okay, maybe I won't be confident at some point.
I just wanted to join because of the opportunity I might be getting through coming and meeting these amazing people.
So today is going to be about networking. They're going to also do a session about personal awareness.
And I think what you can expect on a day like today is support from us and
do a personality test. They're going to learn about financial literacy.
It's really about broadening their horizons and actually giving them space and places to feel safe, but also to dream.
Them telling me about their past, I really connected. And knowing that people have been through what you've been through, it helps me understand that I can do this.
We've got a debate coming up now and a nice interactive game.
That was very fun and interesting because I love debating.
And it was just amazing to see, them all work together, do that research, speak confidently but respectfully.
But yeah, it was great to see everyone's personalities, to actually stay calm in the debate, listen to other people's sides.
Just talking to one of the employees at Goldman Sachs, he was telling me about the company.
And then for the rest of the day, Daquan was asking him about trading and find out about Goldman Sachs. And I think that's exactly what it is. This is someone that trades in his bedroom that now speaks to someone or has connection to someone that works in one of the biggest banks in the world.
So on the tour, I was talking to, I think it was Michael, one of the lawyers here. He was telling me there's different sectors and parts, marketing, social media, and it opened my options a bit more.
We saw that today. They were very kind of quiet at the beginning. It's just typical of young people, but they grew in confidence, they grew in stature, and they grew in terms of thinking that I can smash this glass ceiling, I can get to these things that I want to be, in life with the help of the support that we've created.